So welcome everyone. In this video, I'm going to talk about what is going to happen tomorrow. Some of the shares about tomorrow, the next day. Today is 12th of May, and it's around 10 p.m. Okay, so a little late video, but that's okay. Let me just share the screen. The shares which I shared today in the group. So I'm talking about those first of all. So here we go. First of all was SDFC Bank, in which we traded. So in the buy side, okay. So this is if the chart. This is a 15 minutes chart over here, and it has formed this candle. Look at it. Let me just zoom in. From here, it has formed a morning star sort of a pattern over here, and then a green candle. So it gave a buy signal above this levels. This level of around 879, 880 around. I bought at around 880 levels. Okay. So this was the time at around 9:30. That's around 10:15. Okay. So that was the timing over. Sorry, I mean 10 a.m. So at this level we bought over here, and it went up to these levels. Although even if we have taken 1:1, the target was around 890 for 10 points. But as this last high means the initial high from where it opened up in the morning, so it went above that. So यहाँ से हमें इसने 890 के 880 के level से it has given up from 890 and even more than that up to 895 levels, and it has crossed in the end when market was just moving up very high all of a sudden. So it even touched 900. Okay, so this was SDFC Bank. This is the 15 minutes chart. If you can even observe the 30 minutes chart in this, see in this also it has formed a small bullish harami pattern over here in 30 minutes chart, and so this has given the confirmation above 882 levels. This is the level. See, this is this above this candle, third candle we have bought in, if we do it according to 30 minutes candle. Okay, but I entered in this trade as per the 15 minutes chart. So in our early time frame also, then it went up like this. Okay, so this was a good trade in SDFC Bank. This is a future chart. In the cash also, the around same level, there was a hardly difference in this. The second trade, which was Bajaj Finance, this was really very amazing one. Okay, so let me just show you over here this chart. You must be visible. So if you see, it has come down from a very higher level, coming down and down and down, and then 2 3 times it has bounced back. First at around these levels. These are the levels. Let me just show you. These are the levels of around 2113. Okay, this is the cash chart of Bajaj Finance. So it bounced back from this level, then it again does the same level, then again, then the third time, then the fourth time. So again and again it's testing the same levels in hourly charts. And if I go back like this, let me just zoom in. And then after this, it went deeply low from these levels, and it took a support at around 1916 level, which was actually just weekly support. So weekly support is a very strong support. Okay, and it again bounced back from this level. So in hourly chart, it again gave us the buying opportunity. It's so beautifully pattern formed over here. Look at it. This is called, and you can call a hammer pattern. Okay, and this is a green candle. So above this was a buying opportunity. So it went up to this level. I have even mentioned Telegram channel also. You can just see over there. But today, if we talk about this one over here, then again, after coming down, it has showed a reversal. So in 15 minutes chart, if you see, it has given a buy signal clearly from these levels. Yeah, it's 30 minutes chart. So at around 2030, yeah, 2030, I spotted it out. So if you look at it, see in 15 minutes time frame, this is 2025 is the high. So above this, we were supposed to buy. So I entered in this trade at around 203 levels. From the next time, I'll also show you the trades which I took. Okay. So this is the 1977 was the stop loss. So it went, the target, my target was around 2090, but it didn't touch 2090, but it has made a high of 208, 2079.95. That is around, it gave from 2030 to 2080. That is around 50 points. So that is good enough. No worries if it didn't give exactly, you won't get exact targets always. Okay. So this was this Bajaj Finance. Now this is Titan share, which was amazing. It gave amazing move after such a long time. So I was observing buy, was finding a buy trade in this for a very long time. So look at this, it has come down from this like from those levels of higher level of 1038. Since then coming down and down and down, and it didn't show up from this level. It has really bounced back again and again, but today it gave a buy signal after a long time in hourly time frame. So this is the first candle. Okay, over here you can call it an inverted hammer, and this is the second candle over here. So high is 838. So at 838 level is gave a buy. So I entered into this trade at around 838 only. Actually 836. I bought it around this time frame when it came down little. So I just bought at that level. Okay. So and then it see beautifully after, like, let me just give it a small time frame. So it has gone up from here up to and made a high of 851. So I exited with 10 points, 848 around. I exited it. Okay. So this was again beautiful. And yes, we are expecting a good move tomorrow also in this. Uh, just, yeah, right now, after this news of PM Modi is going to give 20 lakhs plus funds to the support the economy, the SGX Nifty is increased to up to 9500 plus. I just saw in the Google around 3% plus. So we will most probably open in the gap up in the morning. So from there we can reverse back. So it will also open in the gap up. If someone is holding, then it will be a amazing golden profit. Okay. So but I have booked my profit. I have not holding it. Okay. So now Grasim was an amazing move today. Okay, so this is the daily chart, but even if you look in hourly chart, and it is expected to go up more, although I have covered my position. I bought it. I was actually holding it from 2 3 days back, and even more than that, around 480, 487. Yeah, I bought it 487. So today, after 500 levels, I just exited with 13 14 points, but it has given an amazing move. Okay, so it can go even more above than this level. So this is the last high. So it has, we can expect a little resistance at this level in daily charts also. So, and it has also given a triangle breakout in today's chart time frame also in daily from these levels. Okay, see, this is after this they has just moved up. So from 485 to 520 today, made a high of 421 around. So that was amazing. So if you look at in daily chart, this is the last high from where it actually is maintained over here. So if once it moves above this level, so we will expect more up move up to this higher level of this 570 targets, 560, 570 we can see. I don't have any position in this as per now. Yeah, this was the infratel. It hit my SL 2 times. Okay, today. So this was a wrong trade. Actually, I was see this is the levels it initially started. So if you look in 30 minutes or a shorter time frame, it formed a big candle, red candle. But it actually trapped the person. So I didn't wait for any confirmation, and I entered into this in the sell side. So then it went up and just hit my stop loss, and then again I entered it, tried to enter at this level. Do you see this? Two red candles, and again it hit the SL. So 2 times it has hit the SL. So see, you will also hit the stop loss in the market. So no worries, but you have to be strict about it. Your risk reward should be in favor. So it was like this. Okay, Ashok Leland, this gave an amazing move. I'm still holding this for the next day, and hopefully tomorrow we'll see market up. So this should also be opening in the up move. So now, see, I bought it around for 48.50 levels, but today also it gave a move. I am holding it from the last 2 days. So above 47.95, it gave an amazing move. And this is, see, that triangle breakout is showing in 1 hour time frame. So above this level, we can expect it up to 51, 52 levels. Okay. So I will exit at 51 levels if I get an opportunity. I will just put in the pre-open target if I get to exit. It is all in cash. Okay. So, and this was an amazing move, the power grid. And I spotted at this level. Do you see this? Because see, this is the last low, this is the last low. So actually it was making a base type of a thing, again and again testing those levels and bouncing back. So from that here, again it was showing the same thing. So the last low, and this is the last. So you always have to see the last in last, low and high swings where it went back. So that is the support level, and from above level where it is going down, this is a higher resistance level. Okay, so here it, after this red candle, it has formed a big green candle. So at this level around 160, I entered into this trade, and for a target of my target was only up to this much higher level, this last high, like this one, like 162.30, but it has even crossed this. Okay, 162.30, and then it went up to 164.55. So as per tomorrow market is going to open and high, so it can also touch this 166 also. So this given beautiful amazing move. See, this is like moving so high, and you can always see when the body is higher in these candles, then there's a very smart move expected. Okay, so yeah, and one more trade. This was Sipla. This is for this is not taken any trade that as for now, but for tomorrow we can expect up move. In the see, this is the level of 567 from where the last time it started going up. Okay, and then if you're able to see my screen, let me just zoom in. Then it went up to these levels and then reversed back in touched the same level and bounced up from the around same levels. And this is the third time it's doing that. So we can expect an up move from here. So it has formed a dozy candle spinning candle, okay, and then a green candle, but a very small one. So it was of the end of the day, so I didn't prefer by any taking any position for next day. But yes, if it is going to give us an opportunity above 572, above this second candle, then we can expect a good move into this with a very small stop loss, okay, because it is at the lowest support. So the stop loss will be very less. Yeah, we can keep a stop loss of this candle's low 566.40. So you can keep at 565, okay, say. And then you can expect a target of around, see, let's see how much target we can expect. Minimum, if you take 1:1 also, then this is 572 high, this is 566. This is giving a very short target, but you can go for at least 580, 585 minimum at this level. And as per this low base, we can expect a target of around, we can see it up to 600 also in 1 2 day. Even in tomorrow's trading day also we can expect that. So we have to buy above this level. So in the morning, you see, if it is giving you an opportunity to buy above 572 levels, so with a very small stop loss of 5 6 rupees, you can aim for 10 20 points over here easily. So supply is a good pick for tomorrow. It's an amazing trade. And what else I have listed down? So yes, that's all for today. And yeah, did I talk about Bajaj Finance? Yeah. One stock which I missed was Bharti Airtel. Yes, I am having a holding in this. So let me just show you. Yes, Bharti Airtel. So this, after a strong consolidation around for 5 6 days continuously, if it's in the daily chart, around 5 to 6 days. Yes. So it is again going up and giving a sell signal, then buying, then again selling signal. So it's making a this this can triangle formation, and then today it has very beautifully bounced up from these levels. From 530 it gave the entry, and then it triangle breakout at 545 for 15 points you get inside, and after that you get around 5 from 556 to 553. So we can, there's a resistance at this level. If you see the daily chart, that its earlier high where it was is around 568. That is around 568 levels. So it can go up to 568 levels, but today it has made a 553 high. After, if it crosses that level, then we can expect more high, because it will act as a resistance. The earlier high will always act as a high resistance. So once it moves, it is going to give an amazing move. Okay. And one of the star performer for today, I even and mentioned this was in the group also, Telegram channel. So this is Reliance Industries. Yes, if you know, I even gave a buy in our webinar also. If you attended it, in the webinar we discussed about it, if it opens in buy. So from here I was on buy, so we bought it at this level. I booked 50 points. I was holding it in the last day, and the next day also it opened in gap up high, but I was not holding any position. So from to yesterday, it gave an amazing sell opportunity starting from 15 minutes time frame. Okay, it gave a sell signal from here only. So it gave an amazing opportunity, because 1615, it made a high of 1615, which was its last high around 1617. If you see, the last levels, which is, let me show you, which is around this levels. Okay, 16, 17. So I mentioned in our private group also that it will reverse from this level. So from 16, 15 it has reversed, and it has given amazing move. So it was a great opportunity to buy put in this, and for a higher target. So it has gone up to enough, like enough points, but now also it is going to go more down from here. It is expected to go more down because this has formed a double top pattern, which whose targets are really very high. So we can expect, up to that. This was the one level which has crossed. Now next level, if you see, this was the level from where it bounced back. This is around 1357. So 1357 could be our next level to look at. Okay, and then we can see even more also. So as per now, if it's good to buy up, even now we can buy a put on this, from current levels also with a small stop loss as per your risk reward. So you can go for this. Okay, so uh, this was for today. And so if you understood something, if you want me to post continuously, like I will be posting regularly, daily basis, around 5 6 p.m. about what happened today and what can be the we expect in the next day. Okay, so if you want me to follow me, you can follow me on a Telegram channel. I'll just share the link below, and you can even join our course. Our students are really making amazing profit by learning this simple concept which I showed just over here. Obviously you can't understand in 15 minutes. Okay, and join the Telegram channel where I update in the live market. Okay, so thank you so much. Okay, bye bye.